Hey everybody, it's Christina Hawkins with Global Specs Internet Marketing, and I want to talk to you about some of the recent scams that have been coming through, worrying my customers a little bit. So I want to tell you a little bit about those and what you can do about them. Okay, so the first scam that I'm noticing, and these people are just downright awful. Not only that, but I don't want to call them smart, but goodness, they're starting to really, I don't know the word. I feel like even for me, I'm used to seeing these all the time. I'm so hesitant now to any email that I get because they're just getting so good at this. So these are 3 scams that I found just in the past couple months. And one thing for sure in any of these things is make sure you just don't click any of the links. All right, so the first scam that I'm noticing is this person who is going around thinking that they are a professional photographer, and you have taken her photos and she wants you to click this link and she's going to sue you and all these horrible things. It's not true. Now, if you're a customer of ours, our photos are stock photos. Is it the best option? For now, yes. Until you can have your own photos, we use stock photos. I'm so scared to not use any photos that we don't own or are licensed to us. If any photos that you do send to us, I actually do take some time and I look at them. And I've had some clients, they didn't know, and they sent us some photos that they found off of Google or somewhere. And we're just really careful about that kind of stuff. So when I get these emails, I've had so many clients say, "Oh my God, Christina, what's happening? It's fake. It's not real. She wants you to click the link. Don't click the link." All right, so the second one that I'm getting personally are Google My Business emails wanting to claim my account. I don't know if you're getting these. I went on to the Google My Business help and I can see that I'm not the only one, but I do want to warn you as a customer, you might be getting these. Do not click the link. Just delete these. You should not be getting these. If you own this, you own this. If somebody else cannot be claiming this account, and it's the Google My Business, it's the one that shows up for your maps, it's got your reviews, that's something that you're not going to let anybody claim. So you can allow somebody to manage it. If you've hired an agency, if you've got a new employee that's going to be doing some of this management for you, but by then you would know this person. Their name is going to be in there and you're going to recognize them. So just delete these. Delete. All right. I think what they're trying to do is people that maybe haven't claimed it, or they don't recognize what this is about, and so they're just hoping and praying that you're just going to accept this request. So just be forewarned. Don't click it. All right. The third one, and this one's a scary one. We have a customer that was getting these spam notifications. Now, normally when you have somebody come into a website, they fill out these forms, and we do everything we can to make sure the bots can't fill them out. So we have little captchas at the bottom. We've got little bot detectors in the back end. We've got spam detectors. And, he's like, I'm getting just bombarded with these. And we're looking at this like, we don't see any entries. Where is this coming from? Where are these notifications coming from? We thought maybe we turned off save the privacy, and like every time you send them out, they just get deleted. But nope, they were there. We tested it. I can see our entries are in there. So where is he getting these from? So now I'm digging deeper, and I'm looking at the subject, and I'm looking at the to. I'm like, hold on a second. The to, the person that that the notification, the email that's being sent to, is not the email that we have in our system. And so when I look at the notifications, it's not the same thing. Then we kind of made a slight change to the notification. Sure enough, that's when we're like, this is somebody that is faking these notifications. I mean, anybody can create a notification form and put any email as the to and send these out. So this is a little scary. What we did then is we changed a little bit. And so anytime that he's getting this with this specific subject line, it's being filtered out so he just doesn't see them. So again, God, guys, just be really careful out there. If you get these spam emails, even if it comes from a notification, just don't click those links. Don't click anything. All right, so I just wanted to bring you guys attention to 3 scams that are going out there. Everybody be careful and just watch yourself and have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.